Well, finally was able to source a reverse bucket for the jet boat, but it's a little different than the original one, so gotta get creative, make myself some bushings. Well, I got one done. It's a little looser than I wanted it to be, but that's alright. I'm no professional machinist. I just make shit work, you know? Oh yeah, like a glove. So this is the jet boat. She's been dang faithful to me. The 155 horse non-supercharged I bought specifically because I wanted the most reliable boat I could have. And it's been reliable until last season my reverse gate went swimming and didn't come back up. But now I got this new one mounted and it's looking decent. I mean, you know, I think this is gonna work out pretty mint when I tighten these. It's gonna be able to, you know, walk a little bit side to side, but that's fine. And then I got the reverse cable in there. It's a little bit different than the old one because, I want that to blow away. The old one had this little doojabby on it and mounted kind of like so. And that's what would have, yeah, this sucker's hot, holy shit. Yeah, man, I can barely hold this. Maybe that part's a little cooler. Yeah, it mounted like this, and that's how the reverse cable, but the new one's got it molded right in there. And I tried for like 6 months to get a reverse bucket for this thing, and the twin engine boats are different because they're, you know, port and starboard, blah, blah. The jet skis are different, and I don't know, this thing is hard to come by, but so finally managed to get this one. But I think this mechanism here is more for so you don't jam it in reverse at high speed or whatever, but I'm just gonna have to be smarter than that, I guess. But now I'm gonna pull this back apart and get some of this here marine grease in there, and then maybe a water test, I think, because it is absolutely ridiculously hot today. All right. I think I like this a lot. It's got good thread engagement. It's free floating just a little bit, you know, and it's greased up good, and it moves pretty freely. I don't know if I can pull it. I probably shouldn't just pull it. Oh, yeah. All right, good. But so now it's in neutral, I believe. Yeah, looks like neutral to me. And that's about perfect. All right, I greased up the cable nice. Drop her down in reverse. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, this part is threaded on the other side. I just kind of stuck that nut on there for the heck of it. But yeah, my spacers work good. They got a little bit of play for some grease. I definitely should have used stainless hardware, so whatever. I was at Tractor Supply last night and got all this, and you know, kind of a test fit. So the only thing that I don't really love is when you cram it forward. I don't know if you can hear that clunk, but that clunk is the bucket tapping the hull. So I'm gonna have to get some rubber stoppers of some sort there, but otherwise I'm pretty dang happy because, like I said, I tried for like 6 months to find one of these reverse buckets, and I could not come up with one. Used, new, whatever. But I did find this one new at a dealer in old Canada and had it shipped here. So water test, I think so. It's 100 degrees out today. I'm dripping wet. Yeehaw.